it's Maridanee coming to you live from my hoodie. I literally love this thing. Anyway, today what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to customize your iPhone with the new iOS 14 update. Okay guys, so today what I'm going to do is show you how I changed my iPhone from this to this. So this is currently what my iPhone looks like. This is the layout. I have everything categorized the way I like it. I'm going to start taking the apps out of their boxes so that I can change the way that they're categorized and play around with the layout of it. I'm also going to show you guys how to create photo widgets. I'm sure you've seen those around, so I'll show you how to do that with widgetsmith. That's just a free app that you can download from the App Store. So to add a widget, I'm just going to open the widgetsmith app. I'm going to choose which kind of widget, so I'm just going to do a small one. Oh, my app just froze. So I'm just going to do a small one. I'm just going to pick the top one and then click default widget. I'm going to go through, I'm going to use photo for this one and just click selected photo and then choose photo. And then go through my photos and just pick one. So pick one of my boyfriend and then just click the little back arrow and then click save. And then I'll go back to my home screen, hold down the home screen until the items shake, click the plus at the top left hand side, and then scroll through all the apps till I find widgetsmith, and then I'm just going to choose small, add widget. And then I'm going to just tap on it once, and where it says small, I'll just click that and then change it to the first one, which is the one that I chose, which is the picture, and then just click done, and that's how you do it. I'm also going to add a calendar, so I'm just going to do the same thing again. Pick one, click default widget, and then I'm going to just pick one of the day and date ones, or actually maybe the month and date one. Let's see what else there is. Yeah, I'm just going to pick the month and date one, I think. Just going to have a quick look at the other fonts. I'm going to go with New York, definitely. That's more my style. And now I'm just going to pick a color. So I think I might just change the background color, actually. Let's go with pink. So I'm just going to click save again and then go back to my home screen. Add it the same way I did before, so hold the home screen and click the plus and then go all the way to the bottom where widgetsmith is. Choose a small one and then add the widget, and now I'm just going to decide where to place it. I think that one's all right. It has to be in blocks of 4, the medium one has to be in blocks of 8, and the large one is blocks of I think 16. So just keep that in mind when you're organizing. So I'm just going to show you guys how to add a shortcut and change your app icons. So we're going to go to the shortcuts app and then click a plus in the right hand corner and then add action. I'm going to choose scripting and then open app, and then I'm going to pick the app that I want to add a shortcut for. So I'm going to pick the phone app and then just click next, and then I'm just going to name it. So I'm just going to call it phone so I know what it is, and then click done. Then if you click the 3 dots at the top, you can open it again, 3 dots again once you're in it, and then I'm just going to show you how you can change it, categorize it within the shortcuts app. So just click on the icon and then you can choose icons and colors. So click done once you're done with that. And now I'm just going to show you how to change it to a picture. So you go in the same way and you click add to home screen, and then you click on the icon and click choose photo. Now I didn't pick a photo already, so we're going to go back to my Pinterest and pick one from the board that I created. If you wanted to use any icons that I have used, there is a link in the description, and there is also one on my Instagram. So just head over and check out my Pinterest board and you can use the ones that I have and find some inspiration. So I'm just resizing this one of a cute telephone and saving it. And then I'm going to head back to my app, shortcuts app, and choose it from the photos. Resize it and then click choose. and click add and done. Now when I go back to my home screen, it should just be there, yep. And then I'm going to delete or remove the phone app. So if you click remove app and then remove from home screen, it'll just get put into your apps and not actually on your home screen. So you'll use the phone, this one that you've just created, as a shortcut. So let's just check it works. Yep, it works. Fabulous. So then you're just going to keep doing that over and over again until you find something you're happy with, which is like mine. This is what mine looks like now. So cute. I love it.
Like I said before, there is a link to my Pinterest board with all of the icons that I have used and the photos as well in my bio. So if you want to go and check that out, feel free. Don't forget to send me a message on Instagram if you end up customizing your iPhone, because I would love to see how you did it yourself. I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and if it was, please leave me a comment below and subscribe for more content like this. And don't forget to like the video because it really helps me and I would love you for it. Just a reminder that I will be doing a huge giveaway when I reach 500 subscribers or 1,000 Instagram followers. So if you want to be involved in that and you want to help me get there and make it happen sooner, then make sure you tell your friends and you subscribe and you follow my Instagram as well. Thanks guys, bye. My heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep.